This past Saturday and Sunday, Willow Nightingale, Harley Cameron made back-to-back defenses of that AEW Women's World Tag Team Championship title. Now Willow looks to defend the TBS Championship tonight, trying to make it 3 defenses in 5 days. Brian, as a former champion yourself, that is a punishing pace.
Absolutely. Never let it be said that Willow Nightingale isn't a fighting champion. And when she's defending the TBS Championship, I mean, talk about putting yourself into a shark tank. Look at the women in this match.
Yeah, Tony, you talked about Brody King proving himself, being a perennial contender. Willow Nightingale surrounded by 3 very formidable contenders in this TBS Championship match.
Well, listen, the women's division is getting better and better by the day.
Now Shafir and Megan Bayne picking up where they left off in the tournament, working together to target Willow Nightingale.
It'll be interesting in this 4-way scenario how long Megan Bayne and Marina Shafir will actually team together.
As fans will be returning to the Front Wave Arena, Oceanside, California, just outside of San Diego this Saturday for Collision. You can visit AEWTIX.com to join us then next Wednesday night. We heard that Brody King will be in Denver. You have a chance to be to Mission Ballroom, Denver, Colorado, 1 week from tonight. Then Wednesday, March 4th, Don Haskins Center, El Paso, Texas for AEW Dynamite. And then Saturday, March 7th, Tucson Convention Center in Tucson, Arizona for Collision. All of that information, scan the QR code or visit Willow Cannonball for the champion.
Everybody not only fire.
Meanwhile, Mina Shirakawa takes the leap. And Mina Shirakawa isolating Marina.
Well, Mina has so much excitement, so much intensity.
A lot of tension between these
4 women were part of the combatants in the first ever women's blood and guts match last year. Willow Nightingale, Mina Shirakawa, they were on the same team, but it was Marina Shafir. Oh, one blower there from Willow Nightingale. Megan Bayne and Marina Shafir, they were on the opposing side. It was Marina Shafir. That mother's milk was locked in. Timeless Tony Storm, she surrendered. She surrendered the match for her side to prevent any more damage from being done to Mina Shirakawa. But right now it's Willow, well, about to be Willow, poised to do some damage, but Shafir turning things around now. Body shots by the problem Marina Shafir.
Yeah, it was a great counter, but you're right, the body shots and the strikes are what make Marina.
Mega sis, Megan Bayne up to the top. Willow Nightingale, the champion, in trouble here as Shafir. The head scissors drives Willow down on the apron. And meanwhile, Mina Shirakawa.
She's going to throw her.
Oh, Mina Shirakawa sent flying to the floor. Is this
Megan Bayne? I don't know about this cover though, Tony.
Yeah, well, that's just arrogance and of course excitement about what she's done the last couple of minutes. I really think that Megan realizes that she can't win a match like that. At least I would hope she would think that way.
Capitalized on. She had all 3 women down on the ground.
Yeah.
She could have easily gone out, gotten one of them, gotten them in the ring.
Ooh.
Oh, this.
Fear is looking for the cover there. Cheeky grin by Marina Shafir, but Megan Bayne looking none too pleased.
Oh, I thought we were going to see Megan Bayne and Marina go toe-to-toe. I was getting excited about it.
Well, you still may see it before this is all over with. Oh, there she goes, those strikes. What a striker Marina is.
And look at her head movement, making sure Mina can't counter strike.
Throwing Mina predicament, keeping her championship. And now Shafir, though, the body shots once again. Trying to soften up Willow Nightingale.
Those judo throws from Marina Shafir.
Yeah, somewhere Taz just smiled.
Yeah, they're just so hard to counter, and she throws so violently.
Did you say Taz just smiled?
Yeah, him.
He never smiles.
I know, but he smiled just then. Punishing kick from Marina Shafir, and now Megan Bayne with the champion isolated.
Whoa.
Interesting to see Marina Shafir and Megan Bayne still teaming together.
It's like I said earlier, they seem to want to focus on the champion here, but they really don't have to.
Bayne trying to raise the champion up, but Willow fighting back. Willow Nightingale has put her TBS championship on the line in a four-way match. Shirakawa. And over the last few minutes, Brian Danielson, it has been all Megan Bayne and Marina Shafir working together as a unit to punish the champion.
They sure have. And what punishment they've dished out as well, both to her and Mina.
But Mina Shirakawa slipping away from the grip. Marina Shafir and Zigiri.
That connected big time.
Takes it on midsection and off the goes Mina Shirakawa. And a senton. A little inadvertent friendly fire there between Megan Bayne and Marina Shafir.
All based on the quickness of Mina. There it is again. Close to being the TBS champ right there.
Big spine buster from Willow Nightingale.
Look at the, oh wow, she slipped from behind, did Willow.
And Willow, another spine buster, this time for the Megasis.
That was more on the side, on the hip that time than the spine.
And one for Mina Shirakawa, too. Willow Nightingale. Breaking update from Tony Khan. It is official for Sunday, March 15th at Revolution. It will be FTR, the Young Bucks, the AEW World Tag Team Championship title match.
Boy, I can tell you, Revolution, we knew already, but right now, solidified as must-see pay-per-view TV.
The Hurricane delivered by Mina Shirakawa, but Megan Bayne. And now Willow and Megan Bayne meeting in the center. Swinging a miss. Willow avoids contact as well. And both women, same idea. Both go down.
Excalibur, after the long flight from Australia, she was doing media all day yesterday. And look at her, showing up, going toe-to-toe with every woman in this match. Willow is incredible.
Willow, fireman's carry, Death Valley driver. Shafir, though.
Whoa!
Holy cow!
Holy smokes is right.
Marina Shafir on the receiving end of a DDT from Mina Shirakawa. Megan Bayne, no! Leaping lariat.
All right, there's three on the outside, one in the inside now. They've got to get somebody. Watch out.
Megan Bayne! Returning Mina Shirakawa to the ring. Remember, in a four-way match, the champion does not have to be pinned or submitted.
Here we go, Brian.
That first elbow from Megan Bayne didn't even affect Marina. Oh, look. Yeah. Marina going to the body.
Needed the second one.
Oh, my gosh. Those kicks.
Oh, Bayne scoops up.
Oh, my God.
Marina Shafir and drives her into the timekeeper's table. Shafir may be effectively eliminated from this match. As
Marina Shafir just bouncing off that table and went head first onto the floor.
I was going to say it's Megan's match to win, but here comes the champ back.
Megan was looking for something off the top on Mina Shirakawa, but Willow Nightingale intercepted, and now Willow. Oh my gosh! Avalanche German suplex. But meanwhile, Mina Shirakawa to the top shotgun drop kick. Mina moving with urgency here. The rolling elbow strike. One to the back of the head. And now the knockout shot. Mina Shirakawa.
She's got this in hand. She's got it in hand.
A spinning back fist. Willow goes down. Mina. Figure four. We are on the verge of seeing the TBS. Oh, wait a second. 1, 2, 3.
How about
Here's your winner, and still the TBS
What a week for Willow Nightingale. 3 title defenses in a span of 5 days.
Willow Nightingale, the face of TBS, successfully defends her title against three very potent competitors.
I can't believe Megan Bayne's standing after that German suplex off the top rope.
And Marina Shafir barely standing, but Willow Nightingale